It's about 6:30. We're leaving Dorset. Beautiful sunrise. I still want to be in bed. Let's get down to the station because we're picking up cars. Yeah! I thought I left in plenty of time to get this train, but apparently I was wrong. By the time I got to the station, I had literally 30 seconds to get from the ticket machine to the train. Got on the train eventually, and this seems a good point to fill you in on the car that we've come to buy. Technically it's not a car, it's a van. It is the Transporter T4 from a garage that is closing down business, hence it's going quite cheap. It has literally been used less than 100 miles a year for the last 10 years. It's had some work done to it, but it needs quite a lot of work done to it. And I know that it definitely hasn't moved in the last 6 months because I've driven past it going home from work every day. Yes, Kano was listened to on the train journey. But this is where we end up. A van that hasn't been used in pretty much a year. And yeah, we're going to road trip it home. Well, that took longer than I wanted. Nearly missed the first train. That got delayed. Missed the second connection. Ended up getting another 2, but finally we're in London and I can see the van right over there. Yeah. She is a little beastie. So we literally just bought it, and this is literally the first drive out of the garage ever. I feel like I should set up the GoPro, but I'm going to head over to Broad Lane. Well, let's see if we can balance that there for a little bit. Not really. Well, them brakes feel crap. It's going to be a slow ride home. Oh yeah. Brakes! Oh, it seems to kind of go in a straight line. It's got really crap brakes. I haven't got up to temperature yet because I've literally gone around the corner. And yeah, I'm excited. Straight into the MOT bay. Fingers crossed, mate. Oh, we're mid-MOT. Let's hope he gets a pass. Some things I've noticed. First up, the brakes are spongy and crap as you like, but it's been set up for about a year, so kind of expecting that. Gets up to temperature pretty quickly for a diesel, and the temperature gauge doesn't work, which is slightly scary for the drive back home. But the radiator fans do work, and they've come on after 15 minutes of it idling here. So yeah, fingers crossed they'll get me home. Yeah, fingers crossed, mate. Some lovely last minute repairs on the go. We are going after the gear selector. Luckily for us.
Power ball joint popped out nicely.
So, cable ties to hopefully get us all the way back down to Dorset. Fingers crossed this makes it, hey? Stage 1 complete. We have purchased the van, thrown an MOT on it, thrown tax on it. Good job we got a pass. Fuel gauge, very temperamental. The temperature gauge, not really sure what that's actually showing. I know we've got fans at work because they definitely kicked in on the MOT centre, so Happy days. Main problem, gear selection. Our choices are third, fourth gear if you hold it in there. These are mainly held in by cable ties, what I've just shown you. And the little drive to the petrol station is just not fun. I've only got a little bit of a round town drive until we're back on the motorway, but some of Dorset's hills might be interesting. So, literally, fingers crossed, absolutely poo-pooing myself. My butt cheeks are clenched, and let's just fingers crossed we get home today. Touch wood, boy, touch wood. So, driving around town, we've already lost reverse. I've already been under the bonnet again, my fingers, and cable tied it back together. Let's hope we get a couple more gears than just third and fourth that we had on the way over here. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see, I'm now reversing, which is progress. Still not sure if that's first. Please get out of my way, please, 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 thank you. It's feeling pretty good though, so far. Kind of got some choices. Let's hope it's going to be enough to get us up the hills in Dorset. But London, just get us to the motorway, please. I think before we get on the motorway, I'm going to pull into the petrol station and go and have another attempt at my gear links, because I'm just a bit scared to go down the motorway at 40. That's literally a little bit too slow. Oh, I don't like it. See what under the bonnet's saying. So, that is the main problem. That's kind of holding you right. Kind of tape. I think we need to see if we can buy some tape at the service station. Well, there's no sellotape at the petrol station, so I think we're going to use the sponge that I found and some luck. Let's hope we get there. I think this is literally all we're going to get. M3 next. Come on T4, you can make it. Please. Pretty please make it. Interesting one for your transporter owners in the comments. What's a good way to fix a gear stick on the side of the road? How do you get more than third and fourth if you're in the middle of nowhere? I'd like to see what your things are in the comments. zone traffic. Guys, we're actually on the finish straight. Camera batteries have all died, so we're onto this. Wow. She is a workhorse. Literally 100 miles. London to the south coast, aka Bournemouth. Only 3rd and 4th gear. I'm so proud of her. It's been laid up for over a year. Come on, speed bumps, you can do it. Finally, it's home. It is our project. We rolling. Last speed bump. Actually can't believe it made it! Oh, gear stick held together with... What did I use in the end? A flannel. And a bit of sponge and some cable ties. Sun's gonna be right in our way. You ready? It's home! T4 made it! Oh, what a start to a project, man. That's one to remember. If you like this video, please press subscribe. Apologies for the terrible audio at points, but we're working on it. But money gets spent on these projects first. If anyone else has done any stupid road trips to get a car, throw it in the comments. Until next time.